Presenting the Noise ColorFit Pro 2 smartwatch that is available in 3 colors with matching swappable straps: jet black, mist grey and teal green. It comes with a 1.3-inch IPS color display with full capacitive touch for easy control. ColorFit Pro 2 features a lightweight, impact-resistant polycarbonate body, making it comfortable for all-day wear. It gives up to 10-day battery life and 45-day standby time on a single charge. It is compatible with Android and iOS. ColorFit Pro 2 gives you complete activity and health tracking with sleep and heart rate monitoring, step tracking, sedentary alarm, calories burned, and optimal menstrual tracking for women. It comes with 9 sports modes to cover all your daily activities. It also lets you track your health and fitness details for the past 2 weeks and see an overview for the last 30 days. Get instant notifications for calls, messages and social media apps on the fitness watch. Also control the music playback on your smartphone remotely. The watch is IP68 waterproof, allowing you to wear it even in rain. The smartwatch comes with versatile watch faces to help you customize. Inside the box, you will find ColorFit Pro 2 smartwatch, magnetic charger and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.